A single spark in the Middle East ignites a global firestorm. USA strikes Iran, your Bitcoin wallet shrinks, and economies worldwide spiral into chaos. But wait, could this war actually make Bitcoin stronger in the long run? Today, we dive deep into this confusing hypothetical. How a USA-Iran-China war could explode economies, crash crypto. This is not a prediction. It's an educational analysis based on real data. Stick around. Let's break it down step by step. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It's based on hypothetical scenarios using public data from sources like the World Bank, Chainalysis, and geopolitical analysts. War is devastating and should be avoided. This is not promoting conflict or financial advice. Always do your own research, DYOR, and consult professionals. Not a single word here is investment guidance. In 2026, tensions are high. China's support for Iran via BRICS and Trump's policies pushing alliances to the edge. If these escalate to war, God forbid. Here's what could happen to economies, Bitcoin, crypto, and businesses, starting with the basics. Step 1. Understanding the geopolitical setup. Create confusion with what-if scenarios. Why would a war between USA, Iran's nuclear program and regional conflicts have US on edge? Recent strikes in 2025 caused oil spikes. China backs Iran through economic ties, protecting billions in Venezuelan assets and challenging US dollar dominance via BRICS. What if war breaks out? USA might gain short-term military edge, but economically, Iran controls 20% of global oil flow. For USA, this means inflation skyrockets and stocks drop 20-30%. But wait, could this make USA's economy stronger long-term by forcing energy independence? That's the confusing part. Wars create winners and losers in unexpected ways. Step 2. Economic impacts. Detail step-by-step chaos. Economic fallout, step-by-step. Iran blocks the Strait of Hormuz. Global supply drops 20%. Step 2. Inflation hits USA. 5-power 10% rise. China loses exports. Trillions in trade war escalation. Iran's economy collapses. GDP shrinks 50% plus from sanctions. Step 3. Supply chains break. USA businesses, tech, autos, face shortages. Step 4. Recession wave. Global GDP down 2.5%. Unemployment up. China might pivot to BRICS currency, weakening USD. But if USA seizes assets, China could dump US bonds, causing market panic. Businesses in all three countries suffer. Small ones shut down first from costs. Step 3. The crypto confusion. Bitcoin and crypto are risk assets. In war, step 1. BTC dumps 30-50%, 90K to 50K as liquidity dries. Step 2. Exchanges face regulations, sanctions. Step 3. Iran's crypto economy, 2025, 7.78B, 2% GDP, crumbles from internet blackouts. China's ban tightens. Step 4. Long-term twist. Bitcoin as digital gold. War could kill crypto short-term, but make it essential long-term for sanctioned economies. Businesses in crypto, mining, exchanges, hit hard. Volumes down, but survivors boom. Step 4. Business impacts. Step-by-step destruction and opportunities. Step 1. Global supply chains shatter. China's manufacturing stops. USA loses imports. Iran's oil businesses halt. Step 2. Step 3. Trade wars intensify. Tariffs kill exports. Tech firms, Apple, Tesla, lose billions. Step 4. Opportunities in chaos. Crypto firms pivot to stablecoins. War destroys 90% businesses, but creates giants for the 10%, like how WWE boosted USA economy post-war. Conclusion. Wrap with confusion. Resolution and warning. Wrapping up this confusing hypothetical. A USA-Iran-China war could crash economies, inflation, recession, tank Bitcoin, crypto short-term 30-50% drop, and destroy businesses, supply breaks. But long-term, it might strengthen survivors. Bitcoin as hedge, new economic alliances. Remember, this is speculation based on data. War is horrible and avoidable. What do you think? Crash or boom? Comment below. Like if this made you think, and check my playlist on crypto risks. Stay informed, stay safe.